My urine tract was kejut. My migraine gone, my leg pain gone, my numbness gone. Bila saya dah pakai Stokin tu, I boleh rasa something is happening in my muscle and something like denyut-denyut, that part. After that, I started to buy pants. So that pants also helping me to reduce my back pain, my leg pain, and kadang-kadang ada numbness dekat tangan sebab bila saya kerja dekat air, saya basuh pakai air lama-lama, I can feel that numbness at near my fingers. So bila macam tu, saya masuk sarung Stokin dekat tangan, that Stokin helps me to reduce my numbness. And then saya ada sakit dekat sini, sometimes like cold pain, my migraine has gone, migraine for 10 years. Berdenyut-denyut sampai sakit mata, my migraine gone, my leg pain gone, my numbness gone, urine pad. Masa 20 tahun I rasa, saya jatuh dekat bawah, my buttock hit dekat lantai. After that, after a few years, 35 years, I diagnosed my urine tract was kejut. So bila kita syringe out dekat syringe tu kan, satu ni dekat botol susu anak, dia punya air keluar macam tu, that much only I can go for urine. You people can go for 10 seconds, but I will go for 40 to 50 seconds. After I use this product, now I can go for 10 seconds also. So it reduced. Can say reduced, I can say it's okay, already cured. The hole has opened. I came back normal.
I see. Lepas tu sakit kaki, you ada sudah berapa lama sakit kaki?
Sakit kaki for 5 years.
5 years.
Sebab I ada sciatica also.
Okay. Yang migraine tadi lebih dari 10 tahun.
Lebih dari 10 tahun.
Okay, dan lepas pakai Stokin dengan Aurora Pen, berapa lama selepas pakai boleh nampak improvement?
Sakit kaki dengan numbness tu dalam 3 bulan I boleh nampak. That migraine I never realized, but in 3 months also.
3 months.
But this urine part was take about 6 months, 6 to 7 months.
Dan satu hari you pakai Aurora Pens berapa lama?
At least 18 hours. Masa tidur, after that I bangun pagi mandi terus pakai. I duduk dekat rumah, pergi mana-mana pun saya pakai. Sometimes 23 hours also I use.
Okay, thank you for your sharing.